All right, what's up, guys? A couple of things to talk about today. Setting you down for just a moment. All right, let's see here. Put that down here. How are you guys doing today? Hope you're all doing wonderful. If I can fly. Crank this thing up. I need to put my watch on the charger. Okay. Let that charge a little bit. Show you guys what we got here. This is my new pilot bearing. This is a needle bearing. My other one is just a solid brass copper looking ring. This one is a needle bearing, spins inside there. The input shaft on my transmission is different from the early model CD009, so apparently this is the one that I need. The guy that makes my adapter kit made this one for me and sent it my way. So that's pretty cool. Alright guys, so we're going to go to the gym. We're going to talk about a couple of things. We're going to talk about the goals for this channel. Since I'm waiting on parts to come here, I don't really have much in the way of recording to do. So you guys are just gonna have to deal with this today, and just gonna talk about a couple of things and talk about what I'm planning on for my vehicles and what I'm planning on for my channel. Just goals for both of those, and then we'll go from there. All right, what's up guys? We're back again. My new clutch came in, my replacement clutch. So let's go ahead and open that up now, and I'll show you guys what that looks like, and we'll compare it to my other one that's pretty busted. Yeah. Okay guys, this is the same clutch that I ordered last time, but as you'll notice, this one is marked differently. So for one, it is obviously, this is the thicker side. This side is flat. This side right here is marked transmission side. This side right here is the flat side. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my other one. See, this is the side we were talking about. This is pretty flat, and I'll show you guys what the other one looks like. This one is all busted up and cracked, as you can see. Another thing is, this one is not stamped on this side to say transmission side. So me, being an idiot, it allows me to make the mistake of putting it in backwards like I did. So yeah. Along with this, we also got the new pilot bearing. Whoop, shit, almost dropped it. This is a needle bearing. That ring spins on the inside there. The other one is just a solid brass copper ring. So yeah, that's the difference. This one's diameter is, if I'm not mistaken, I think this is a little bit thinner in diameter. So I just know the input shafts are different across the CD009 transmissions, from the Nismo version to the regular version, which I have the Nismo version. And I know this is the one we got to use. So we have a pilot bearing puller tool rented, and going to go ahead and pop that shit out tomorrow. That'll be another video though. All right guys, let's talk about the channel for a minute. So what are my goals for this channel? What are my goals for these cars? While I have you guys here, and we haven't really done anything eventful in this episode, we're just going to talk for another minute or two. My goal for this channel is, let's see, by the end of this year, I'd like to have 1,800 subscribers. About that, 400 more subscribers. I think that's a good goal by the end of the year. I'm hopefully going to grow this channel. I want at least 5-ish thousand subscribers before I'd like to consider myself a decent YouTube channel. I feel like you have to get more than, I feel like anybody can have 1,000 subscribers, you know? So I'm trying to get past that level. That's my goal for this channel. I want to be able to do the things that I want to do as content for you guys, more than just cars. And what I mean by that is I want to do some more life stuff as well. My entire life revolves around cars, and I don't want my channel to be limited to one build, such as the IS300. I plan to get more stuff coming to the channel pretty soon throughout the year. Hopefully gonna have another build started before the end of this year, as well as having this thing up and going the right way soon. My goals for the cars, let's talk about that next. I built the IS300 to be a drag car. I would like to run a 10-second quarter mile in the drag strip. There's a local quarter mile strip about an hour from here. I wanted to run a 10-second quarter mile. That's the goal. That's the goal for the Lexus, and that's pretty much the only like real goal that I have for it, other than just make some cool power, make cool noises, and be fun to drive. The FRS, if I keep this car, I would love to K-Series swap it with a K24. I have crazy goals in my head about, like, it would be super cool to see this thing supercharged with a K24 in this car. That'd be dope. A rear-wheel drive K-Series setup with like a Roadtrek supercharger. That'd be dope. That's the goal for this, as well as I'd like to either pick up a motorcycle or an SUV here soon, like just a cheap SUV. And another goal for this channel is going to be getting some new recording equipment. I really want to get into drone shots, and I really want to get a new camera, which I'm recording all of this on a GoPro Black 8 edition, the newest one. So I'm recording all this on a GoPro. I would like to get a new camera, like a mirrorless camera, and I would like to get a drone. Yeah. We're gonna be overhauling the editing rig sometime in the coming months as well. The computer that I use to edit. If you guys are into computers, I'm gonna video that stuff then. Right now I'm editing on a Ryzen 7 with a 2080 Super graphics card and 16 gigs of RAM, but that's neither here nor there. You guys probably don't know any of that stuff or care about that, but that's gonna pretty much do it as far as our channel goals go. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. We have all of our stuff in to hopefully get this thing put back together pretty soon. So the next video, we're for sure going to get the pilot bearing removed and the clutch and flywheel and stuff reassembled, and hopefully have the transmission put back on. In the next 2 weeks or so, we are going to definitely get this engine and transmission put back in the car with a new starter, as well as getting it test fired. Before I put the front end back together, we're just going to put just the engine and transmission, just the necessities, back in the car and fire it, dry fire it. Well, it's got oil, but like, not gonna put the radiator and stuff like that in there. Dry fire it just to make sure that it'll crank. Yeah, so look forward for that stuff soon. And if you're just now stopping into this channel, I ask that you subscribe. We're trying to grow the channel here. I ask that you give the video a like, please. It really helps a lot more than you guys know. And other than that, guys, I hope you all have a wonderful day. Peace out.